Hi folks, this is Chris from CDRGuns, and in this video we're going to be installing the new adjustable trigger blade for the Krait. I've already removed my grip and valve cover / solid stock. Firstly, we're going to remove the two 2.5mm Allen bolts from the front of the trigger guard. Next up we have the four 2.5mm Allen bolts. These are T20 bolts on the newer guns. After that, you can disconnect the trigger linkage rod. You can now use a 2mm pin drift to remove the trigger blade pivot pin. Disconnect the linkage rod from the old blade and transfer it to the new one. Line up the new blade and reinstall the pivot pin. You can now reconnect the linkage and reinstall the block. If you wish to adjust the first stage travel on these older rifles, simply lengthen or shorten the rod by rotating the block as shown. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.